What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a CPU into an Intel motherboard. It's really simple. First, just pull up on this tab. Then grab yourself your CPU. Oh, hold on. Let me find it. Here it is. Okay, see that gold corner? You're going to match it up with that corner on the motherboard. You're just going to plop it right in there like so. Make sure it fits. Like that. All good. Now close this arm and we're good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Voila, there you go. That's how you install an Intel CPU.